Hey, I'm Stan Starsky from Peace, Love, and Snacks, author of the Healthy Snacks Cookbook, Peace, Love, and Snacks. And today we're gonna make some crunchy granola. You're really gonna love it. It's really pretty easy to do, and all you need are some oats, some chopped nuts, which includes pecans and almonds, some honey, some coconut oil, some cinnamon, some cayenne pepper, and a little bit of nutmeg, and then some sea salt, or salt, but I use sea salt typically. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're gonna do is this. Now, meanwhile, what I've done ahead of time is I've already preheated an oven up to 300 degrees, and you're gonna take one of these pans right here, you're gonna put a half a cup of oats. So just put a half a cup of oats, kind of sift it out a little bit like that, put it in the oven, and let that preheat for 8 minutes. While that's happening, you're gonna multitask a little bit. What I did already is I chopped up some of these nuts, and these are almonds and pecans, and it was a half a cup of each chopped up. And then the next part, we're gonna work on what's gonna make this thing taste great. So take some honey, and you're gonna take a quarter cup of honey. Now you just kind of squeeze this in this thing right here, get it up to a quarter cup. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. And this coconut oil really makes this stuff good. So it's just 1, and then 2 teaspoons right in like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take just 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and that's exactly a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then some nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and dump that in there as well. Oh, that's a cayenne pepper. Okay, don't do that. So that's a thing to watch out for. So just take a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Dump that in there as well. And then what I like to do is just take 3 or 4 shakes. Now this is for a mature type of audience or palate. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. You might learn to like more, but just when you start out, just put that much in there. And then what you can do is just stir it all up. So just stir it up real nicely, and you get this nice mixture. Look at that, it looks absolutely delicious. So this is the whole key to the whole recipe right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump it in this. Okay, this has been roasting for 8 minutes. It smells delicious at this point. And just take this out and dump this stuff in here, okay? And now just mix it in with all the oats. And now you're gonna take your nuts, dump it in as well. So you're gonna get everything really nicely covered in this nice, delicious honey mixture here. So once you get everything covered up real nicely, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it out and then mix it up and then put it back in the oven for 8 minutes, let it cook some more, take it back out, mix it up a little bit and put it back in the oven for 8 minutes. And then after you do that, take it back out again after that final 8 minutes. So you're just gonna have really just a total of 24 minutes, basically. And what you're gonna get is this, and this is absolutely delicious. This is crunchy granola. It's really, everybody's gonna love it. You'll be the most popular person on the block, and it's real easy to make. You could add some raisins, some dried cherries, or whatever you wanna do with this thing. Put it on top of yogurt or ice cream. And I think you're gonna absolutely love it. I'm Stan Starsky from Peace, Love, and Snacks, and enjoy the granola.